Ja, das hätten wir geschafft. Zwar haben wir kein Geld verdient, aber ja, die Mission ist geschafft und Mad Dog ist wieder glücklich, weil er seinen Fersenbock hat.
Hey, I'm in therapy, not this.
Nicht quatschen, außer da. Und jetzt werden wir gleich wieder aufgefahren, oder? Zum Mad Dogs Villa. Und machen da gleich mal weiter. Damit wir vorwärts kommen. Wir fahren da gleich wieder durch, da ist es einfacher. So, links rum und nochmal durch, eh? Gut, auf jeden Fall sind wir rummert. Und das erste, wo wir dann ist, natürlich speichern. Dazu müssen wir aber... Moment, da irgendwie drauf, eh? Da oben ist es. So, sagt das, herum sind wir. Und dann schauen wir gleich zur nächsten Mission.
Hey, be quiet, be quiet.
Come on, you bunch of wankers. This is unbearable.
Shut up.
Officers Eddie Pulaski and Frank Tenpenny, both hard-working members of a community policing unit, have been charged with racketeering, corruption, narcotics, and sexual assault.
They brought it on
These
themselves.
charges pale in
That
comparison
bastard
to
cost me
core
my
allegations
farm.
that these
And he
officers
hogged the
conspired to
barn.
kill fellow officer Ralph Pendlebury, who had threatened to turn state's evidence, and who was then found shot dead in a supposedly unrelated gang incident. close
I
to
say
Los
20
Santos
years.
Airport.
Try 5
During
years.
the trial,
Cops always get off easy.
prosecution has
Yeah, I
had to
heard
deal with
that.
Lost evidence, retracted witness statements, and now the disappearance of fellow officer Jimmy Hernandez and Officer Pulaski himself, believed to be on the run. Oh wait, they're exiting the courtroom now.
That bastard Pulaski will probably turn up
Listen,
dead just like the rest
In light
of
of the
them.
lack of evidence against my client, the district attorney's office has seen fit to drop all charges
What?
against this innocent man.
That's bullshit.
You see? You
Sensational,
can't trust the
truly
system,
unbelievable.
man.
This surprise decision is wholly unprecedented.
Oh man, ain't no
Absolutely
justice. It's just
I
us.
know. I've been
The action
arrested
of the
numerous
crowd
times for
behind you,
totally
anything to be
natural
justified,
behaviour.
Los Santos will burn tonight.
Ain't nobody gonna be riding in my hood.
I don't know about that, Holmes. Look, the whole city is going up.
Oh,
People
here
are
we
fucking
go.
pissed off about this.
People don't know what they want. We all being used.
You see, man? It's always the same, friend. Power systems corrupt everyone.
Look, I said we gonna secure the hood. We ain't getting shit together so some idiot can burn it down.
Shit's real fucked up, man.
Yeah, but we gonna handle this ourselves.
Er ist da mal weggert. Fahre wieder zur Groove Street.
CJ,
Halt
you
das.
asshole. There ain't no justice, man. How does scum like Tenpenny stay on the streets?
Man, I don't know. Just the way shit's stacked, I guess.
Man, this is fucked up. We should take that bastard down ourselves.
And we will, sweet.
Ja, scheinbar ist Tenpenny irgendwie angeklagt worden. Wegen seinen, ja,
So who's the weird brick?
What? Oh, Macker, he got a little problem he can't control.
What kind of problem?
He can't stop, you know, giving himself a little bit.
What, you mean he likes to consult Professor Hound's jerk off?
Yeah, regular.
Spank the monkey?
Yeah,
Take Pomula out?
quit it.
Burp the worm?
Enough, man.
ja, also Tenpenny ist irgendwie angeklagt worden und dann ist die Anklage fallen lassen worden. Aber scheinbar müssen wir endlich mal selber was machen gegen den korrupten Bullen. Wir müssen eigentlich mal links abbiegen. So, ab jetzt. Gibt es eigentlich bei uns in Deutschland also korrupte Polizisten? Gibt's sowas? Schon, oder? Ich denke, wenn Geld irgendwie im Spiel ist, dann ist das sowieso alles hinfällig. Weil Geld ja eine große Macht hat. Und da verliert der Mensch schnell immer die Moral. Was ist denn mit den Lampen los?
Shit, look at this place. Even old ladies robbing shit.
I guess it's better than staying home and watching the shopping channel.
Yeah, go out there and get yourself a bargain.
Ui, da.
Shit, man. People real mad. Tenpenny responsible for all of this. As if the ghetto ain't wrecked enough. Come tomorrow, most of the Central's gonna have new TV.
Look at them like angry kids or some shit. They just tearing up their own neighborhood. Nothing good is gonna come of this.
Überall wird geklaut. Sag ich das richtig? Jeder hat einen Fernseher dabei.
Everything's burning. Put your foot down. Man, the ghetto's tearing itself apart.
Moment einmal. Da brennt's.
I'm gonna gather up some homies and get the hood locked down.
You need anything, give me a call. I'ma check out the city and see what I can see.
You be careful out there, CJ.
Ja, war eine kurze Mission. Okay. Und du knallst dich auf mein... Was geht denn da ab? Alles Kriminelle.
Make me come.
Ja, wollen wir kurz speichern.